I bet you, like me, are hearing it everywhere. Everything about artificial intelligence and AI. There's so much going on in this space and there's all these different tools. But have you ever considered if AI can truly deepen human engagement rather than actually replace it? Today, we'll look at how AI can serve as an incredible tool to enhance real connections without losing that human touch that we've all come to know and love. In today's fast-paced world, AI tools really are transforming how we connect, especially in fields like sales and customer engagement. And imagine a tool that can streamline those repetitive tasks that you do and even provide real-time insights on data, leaving you more time to focus on meaningful person-to-person interactions. You see, this is really where AI shines. It doesn't replace our human skills, but it really finds ways to amplify them, making us more efficient and present in our relationships. Take, for example, a sales rep using AI for an initial client interaction. The AI can track preferences and even analyze sentiment, offering insights into what each client values the most. And this means that the sales representative can prepare better, going into each conversation with a personalized approach that shows understanding and builds trust. What a winning combination. But you see, AI has its limits. And while it provides data and insights, it can't feel empathy or read nuances or read context. And sometimes we can feel different things in a person's voice in a way that AI can't. And this is why the human element remains irreplaceable at this stage. It's our empathy, our ability to actively listen and adjust that truly connects us with others. So here's a quick action step for you. Look for ways to leverage AI and handle the repetitive tasks in your days. Use that extra time that you gain from that to have a real conversation and ask some meaningful questions and really listen. By blending the power of AI with the irreplaceable value of human connection, we can create engagement that is not only productive, but also genuinely impactful. So if you want more tips on maximizing human connection with AI, then follow us at 3sales.me/emails for more insights. It's Shondell from Life Puzzle, and until we meet again, be well and be empowered. Bye for now.